Hello. In this video I will show you how to set up VPN connection on OnePlus Ace 3. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. And here click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad. And now click don't allow. And now click consent. Now click this button to start your VPN and click allow. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.